Welcome to Mama My Strengths Family Time. Friends, if you like this video, do subscribe, like, share, comment, and hit the bell icon. Hi friends, here's a small tour of my apartment. Currently, my family is going out for a walk. My apartment is surrounded by trees, so it's very close to nature, you can say. And at the same time, they also have a dog park here inside the apartment premises, and they also have a swimming pool with the spa. But currently the swimming pool and the spa is closed due to the virus. We also don't have mailbox inside our apartment. To receive our mails, we have to walk outside. My neighborhood area is surrounded by created lakes and has very beautiful sceneries that is very enjoyable. Especially if you are going out for a walk, you will really love it. Even with kids and families, you will still love it, and you wouldn't mind taking a casual walk just to do your routine exercise, because the environment is so beautiful and so relaxing. I would be so happy if you like my videos, and if you do like them, please do subscribe, like, share, and comment. I hope families who are home and kids who are home, they are also enjoying the beautiful sceneries as I am enjoying through my eyes, and from my camera you are enjoying. Thanks to YouTube channel, we are able to be bonded with other families